Hey everyone, this is David B. In this video, I will teach you how to use some features in HelloTalk when someone sends you a message. I'm in the Notepad section, which lets us experiment with these features without having to be in a real conversation. The first message is in Mandarin Chinese. If I hold my finger on that message, an options menu pops up. The first option is Translate. If I tap Translate, the English translation appears beneath, and on the left we can use the arrow to hide it or show it again. Next, I'm going to tap the second message and use Correction. I'll tap on the sentence that I want to correct, and I can fix it. I want to learn English. Hit Send, and the correction will be sent to your language partner. If we go back to the first message, the next option is Speak. This lets us hear the message read out by a computerized voice.
我在健身房，刚锻炼完，现在还在拉伸。
The next option we have is Transliteration. This is used for languages that use an alphabet that is different from English. In this case, it takes the Chinese characters and it transforms them into the pinyin. The next option is Reply. If you want to show your language partner that you're replying to a specific message, you can use this feature. We see the message there, and we can send a reply. The next option is Copy. If we want to copy the message so that we can paste it into dictionary software or paste it into another app, we can copy it just by clicking it. The next option is Favorite. If we tap Favorite, we see that in the bottom left corner of the message, there's now a yellow ribbon indicating that it has been favorited. We can then go into the Favorites section of the HelloTalk app and see all of the messages that we have done that for. The last option is called More. This lets us select multiple messages, and we can then delete them, hear them read out to us, or forward them. In this case, I'll delete 2 of the messages. Those are some of the features that you can use in HelloTalk when someone sends you a message. This is David B. Thanks for watching.